Hi everyone, I am back with today's spot prize giveaway fun game. Sorry this is going up late, it's just been a very busy day. Right, so this pile is absolutely growing. We've got so many lovely little goodies in here, and I do have some more bits and pieces to add to the pile. So today I have this lovely bag topper to add, so you can make your own little bag of goodies. I have some lovely blue polka dot satin ribbon. I have some lovely ruffle that I've done on my sewing machine. It has got a lot of threads attached to it, I'm afraid, but this is really cool to, you know, sew on your to cut a bit off and just put on your project. So I've got a strip of that. I also have this little cute pocket with these little pussycats on, and there's a lovely little, it says pocket there if it's not stuck down, that you can use as a little tuck spot pocket. And I'll show a die on my next AliExpress haul for that. It's adorable. And look at these very cute little pussycats. They do look a bit scary with their eyes like that, but if you was to put some blue behind their eyes, look, you know, I mean, they do look a little bit freaky with their eyes like that. But this is another die that I got from AliExpress, and look at those pussycats. They're just very cute. As you can see, I have like a pussycat theme going on here. Actually, you know, I could tuck those in my, where is the empty stuffed pocket that I was supposed to be filling this little no, that's not going to fit. I was supposed to be filling this pocket, wasn't I, with goodies, and that's too big. Oh my gosh, Channelle, sort yourself out. We'll have to find some goodies to go in this not so stuffed pocket, won't we? But look, you've got some little pussycats hanging out there. So what we'll do for the next couple of days is fill this up with goodies. So you're waiting for today's question. Right, so today's question is to do with my wedding again. So, am I getting married in Cyprus or Rhodes? Now, you all know I'm getting married in Greece, but is it Cyprus or is it Rhodes? So that is today's question. We have another question tomorrow and Sunday, and then I will announce the winner on Monday. So we've still got a couple of days left. Don't forget to go back on the old videos so that you do answer all of the questions that are there. I'm just looking in front of me here, and I've just seen this cute little pocket there that you could decorate. So I'll stick that in as well. Look how cute that is. It just needs to be stuck down and decorated, but there's something else there. No point putting in a stuffed pocket. Just looking what else we have. Oh look, there's a tag there. Well, oh my gosh, let's stick that in there. Maybe I'll decorate it beforehand. This pile is just growing. Look, there's so many. It is a mess. I'm so sorry. Look, shall I tidy up a little bit? Oh, I do not know. We've got all these little bags. We've got these, it's ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, we have so much here, and look, it is looking a mess. I promise I will tidy it all up before I send it to you, I promise. So this is today's question. As you can see, Mr. Charlie Asbo is wanting to say hello. No Franny today, but as normal we have the naughty Charlie boy. There's a naughty boy. Yes, there is. I'm so sorry. Everybody loves you though, so it's okay. Right, everyone, I shall see you tomorrow, and good luck with the questions. Take care for now. Bye.